In the prosperous people of the powerful states, our country is comprehensively developing and prospering. Turkmen people living a happy life are proud of the country's achievements and natural resources. In our state, great attention is paid to national values, historical monuments. The Turkmen land is rich in unique picturesque corners. As an example, we can cite the plateau of the dinosaurs of Kov-Ata. It grows mazy trees, Arnab, Darayları, Karkayları, caves that take the up in Kov-Ata, the Germap Gorge. One of them is the underground lake Kov-Ata. This amazing creation of nature is located on the territory of the Baharden tribe of the village of independent New Turkmenistan. This amazing underground lake is located at a depth of 175 meters. The depth of Kov-Ata reaches 450 meters. A 230-meter long road has been laid into the underground lake and goes to a depth of 65 meters. The structure of the cave testifies to the fact that the history of this place goes back centuries. An underground lake in combination with a mountain cave forms a historical and natural reserve. Upon entering the cave, an amazing beauty arises before your eyes, as if you were in a mysterious fairy tale world. The peculiar mountain air captivates the flight of local birds and the greatness of the cave. Surprisingly, the underground lake, the water which is very pleasant, has healing properties. You can swim in the lake both in winter and in summer. The water has a constant temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. According to various sources, the lake water contains from 27 to 37 useful substances, including iron, sulfur, iodine, sodium, potassium, magnesium, aluminium, bromine. Admirers of beauty who have received pleasure and strength from the water or the lake easily climb the stairs to the top. After people go out into an open space, they breathe in the cool air deeply. During the years of independence, attention to this underground lake has increased significantly. All year round, tea houses, sports grounds are at the service of tourists who have come here. The great attention of this present to the issues of popularization of the rich cultural heritage of the Turkmen people, concern for the present and future of the people, illuminate the path of the Turkmen people and inspire them to create.